Hey, what's up, guys? This is Eric. I'm right here at Rialto plant, Borough, um, tiles. This is where they make the tiles and they deliver to all US, or I don't know how many plants they have all over the US, but this is the California. Excuse me, the California plant. So, oh my God, where's like I said today, I'm here to pick up some tiles. If you want to pay for the freight, you can come over and pick up the tiles yourself, but you're gonna have to buy them from any roofing supplier. You cannot buy that directly from the plant. As a customer, you cannot come in and buy it from the plant. They won't sell it to you. You're gonna have to have a retail license and stuff like that. So today I'm here to pick up some tiles. I already purchased the tiles at the some roofing supplier, and today I'm gonna fill out the paperwork so they can give me the tiles. So when you get here, you have to park and wait, and then go to the office. I'm gonna show you where the office is. The office is over there, where it says the shipping department. You see that little house right there? That's what it is. This is the little office. You're gonna have to come in here and then fill up all the paperwork. After you fill up all the paperwork, you go back to your car and you wait. Well, those trucks are waiting to be loaded. They have to go there, wait their turn, and park over here. This is all loading. All these orders, they're already in place. So everybody is doing their thing. They finally loaded my tiles. Also, when you're stacking your tiles, make sure you stand them up, okay, like this on the side. Don't put them like don't put them flat on the floor, because when your trucks, jumps a little bit on the road, you're gonna break all the tiles. So the strongest point of the tile is when you stand it up. You see how they come on the pallet. This is how they come. See how they're stuck on the pallets. The stacking like that is because that's the strongest. Sí, ya está. I'm here at overtime to pick up some tiles. This is another manufacturer of the tiles in San Bernardino County, California. They fabricate their own tiles, little tiles. They've been around for a long time. So that's, like I said, if you're looking for tiles, don't go to the mall yard. Just come directly to the factory, and they will be able to help you. Just buy it through a sales a roofing sales company, and we'll give you a PO and you pick it up. Okay. So this is Auburn Tile. Today is Wednesday, day 3. Tomorrow is Thursday. We should be done by Thursday. This is low profile Borough Monier tile. be done tomorrow. I installed new fascia, all new fascia all the way around, paint it, and tomorrow should be done with this. We power washed the tiles and now it looks clean. A lot of houses right here, they got a lot of moss because they have a lot of trees around here, but this one used to be all green. It used to look like this house next door. They got all greenish with the moss on it, but then we power wash it and then now it looks clean. I replaced the fascia board all the way around, all the starter boards were damaged. And we passed final inspection, so this is how it looks. This is the city of Hacienda Heights.